Hello students, today let us learn the mod graphs, which is very easy. You will be using these graphs while finding the critical values, solving, so many varieties you can use. I am going to teach you in a very simple and fastest model. Let us learn how these graphs. Let us draw mod x graph. How does mod x graph look like? This is what mod x graph. How to draw minus mod x? So minus is there. Just the graph will come down like this. Okay. Now let us draw how to draw mod of x plus 3. For example. So whenever I have included here x plus 3, you need to find the critical value of x. How to find the critical value of x? Just x plus 3 equated to 0, you will be getting x value as minus 3. So on number line, here minus 3 will come. This is what mod of x plus 3 graph look like. Okay, now let us see x minus 5. So how does the graph look like? So x minus 5, you equate it to 0. You will be getting the critical value of x is 5. So just at 5, this is 5 on the number line, draw the number line. This is how the graph look like. Okay. Now here, if at all I want mod of x plus 3. So procedure is everything is same. If it is minus symbol, you need to flip that. That's it. So here minus 3 critical value will be same, but the graph will become like this. Now upside down. Here if at all I want minus of mod of x minus 5. So just here the critical value of x is 5. So the graph looks like this. Let us continue further. If at all I want some graphs where I have to lift it or I have to put it down, something of that sort. So let us continue. I want mod of x minus 2 plus 3. Let us take for an example. So here first find out what is critical value of x. So x minus 2, if you equate it to 0, you are getting the critical value of x is 2. So on the graph paper, this is x is 2. Normally mod of x minus 2, this graph is like this. But I want plus 3, means the graph has to jump up. This is jump up 3 units. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. At 3, the graph will jump like this. This is called mod of x minus 2 plus 3. Is it so simple? Subscribe.